There you go.
Bring it back. Great. I'm not going to judge it this time.
I be hustling, getting that fast money, posted off in the projects with a bad bitch and a couple burners, whipping up an object. Off in the kitchen, hitting that chicken with the flour, huh? Arm and hammer, my arm and hammer, be the power, huh? Any nigga that play me, I'm had to spray him to keep my respect. But a nigga, one more time, to the pin. I would never change it if I could do it. One more time. Woo! I'll be hustling, getting that fast money, posted off in the project with a bad bitch and a couple burners, whipping up an object. Off in the kitchen, hitting that chicken with the flour, huh? My arm and hammer, my one time.
Yep. I would say a red cup is great.
I'll be hustling, getting that fast money, posted off in the project with a bad bitch
straight
and a
heat.
couple burners, whipping up an
Sibo in the booth.
Off in the kitchen, hitting that chicken with the flour, huh? Arm and hammer, my arm and hammer,
Chicken's
be the
a
power, huh?
boss hog.
That play me, I'm had to spray him to keep my respect. But the streets will never play me, I be keeping it wet. Southside G block, on the hitter with no regrets. My 2 fingers spread it, yeah, we throwing up the set. I'm from the dirty river, slinging that dirty white. Even though my situation could carry 30 to life. But I gotta get it, they know I'm a CYA to the pen. I would never change it if I could, should I do it again? Fuck the whole world, bring them in, bust it down, yeah. We the realest niggas around, yeah. Y'all in the street, hitting fences on the sergeant. You know the track. Double fisted, you ain't listening.
Okay, she said her ass is off.